Rebel Canners, teaching all kinds of food preservation, including the old ways. Today we're in the kitchen making blueberry lime jam. Mash 4 cups blueberries. I used a mixture of fresh and frozen. I buy my pectin in bulk at the Amish food store. Add 6 tablespoons pectin. I use the zest and juice from 1 small lime. 1/3 cup lemon or lime juice. 5 cups sugar. Bring to a boil and boil for a good rolling boil 1 minute.
Okay. So we got the blueberry jelly here. It's all mixed up. It's boiling and it's at a rapid boil that it still boils when I'm stirring. That's a little bit, yep, see it's still got some boils in there when I'm stirring. So I'm starting the time now for 1 minute and then I'm going to jar it up in all my jars over here. I've got everything prepared, sanitized, ready to go, and I'll be back in a few minutes.
Process in a boiling water bath for 15 minutes. Take them out of the boiling water canner and set on a dry towel. So, just want to show you my blueberry lime jam. Oh my goodness, is it ever delicious. Just enough zing. You can really taste both the limes and the blueberry in there. Just makes it so good. So, just a little look-see for you. Go ahead. I recommend this recipe. Came out of the Wall Blue Book. Thank you and have a great day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us on Facebook. Rebel Canner's Cookbook is available on Amazon, Barnes & Noble, and Walmart.com.